Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss degree 4th semester English most important questions. The weightage is 60 marks. Let's see section B. So in section B you will get question number 7. In question number 7 you will have a choice between a poem and a prose. So the poem is Ozymandias. From Ozymandias, two questions are very important. First one, describe in your own words the setting of the poem and what the traveler saw. Narrate the environment in which the poem is set and the observations made by the traveler. Second one, who is Ozymandias in the poem? What do we know of the character of Ozymandias? What is Percy Bysshe Shelley's attitude towards Ozymandias and why? So you can attempt Ozymandias or you have a choice in question number 7 with a prose lesson, that is the lottery ticket. From these three questions are very important. First one, just the thought of money can bring out the worst in people. Comment on this statement in the light of Chekhov's story, The Lottery Ticket. What aspects of human nature does Chekhov show his readers through the story, The Lottery Ticket? Summarize in your own words some of the things that Ivan Dmitrich had his wife won the lottery. What were Ivan Dmitrich's dreams and intentions for the future in the event his wife winning the lottery ticket? So either you can learn the poem Ozymandias or you can learn the lottery ticket. Mostly students learn the lottery ticket. They find it interesting. Now moving on to question number 8. Again you will have a choice between a poem and a prose. So the poem is My Last Duchess. From this again two questions. Which traits of the Duchess disgusted the Duke? What does this tell us about the Duke? What features of the Duchess did the Duke find unfavorable and how does this reflect on the Duke's own personality? Second question. Write a detailed character sketch of the Duke of Ferrara. Present a detailed sketch of the character of the Duke of Ferrara. So you can learn the poem or you can learn the prose lesson, The Doll's House. From this, two questions are important. How are gender roles depicted in Catherine Manfield's The Doll's House? Enumerate the differences between the Burnell and the Kelvey children. Narrate in your own words the incident at school between Lena Logan and Lil Kelvey. What led to it and how did it affect everyone involved? Just remember students, each summary answer is for 15 marks. Now question number 9. In question number 9 again poem and prose there is a choice. Poem is Hope is a Thing with Feathers. From this important questions are what are the various images used by Emily Dickinson to represent times of difficulty and adversity? How does this contrast with the way she has represented hope? Second question, Emily Dickinson's poem is about the importance of hope in human life. Explain the significance of hope with reference to the poem. So you can learn this poem or you can learn the prose lesson Packing. From this important questions are narrate in your own words how George and Harris packed the hampers in Packing by Jerome K. Jerome. Write a character sketch of the narrator of this passage with reference to the text to justify your answer. Now moving on to question number 10. In question number 10, you'll have choice between additional readings, okay? So first additional reading is Why We Love Holiday Rituals and Traditions. From this, important questions are write a detailed note on the rituals and traditions associated with a holiday that is specific to a community. Mention two ways in which holiday traditions help relieve stress. List two reasons how holiday traditions might contribute to easing stress. So you can learn this additional reading or you can learn consumers often can't detect fake reviews and underestimate how many negative reviews might be fakes. This is by Shabnam Azimi. So from this important questions are positive reviews related to any product were trusted less than negative reviews by the participants. Discuss with suitable examples. List some precautions that consumers should follow or keep in mind when reading either online or in print reviews about products and services. The consumers being studied were placed into categories by the researchers. What was the basis of the categorization and what were the categories? Now, the next additional reading is it okay to kick a robot dog? How can we balance AI progress and human safety? Discuss what argument is made against violent video games and how is it countered. So there are total 3 additional readings out of which any 2 you can do. Okay. So I suggest go with the first one, that is why we love holiday rituals and traditions, and the second one about fake reviews. Those have more chance of coming into the exam. Students, if you want PDF of all easy answers, then you have to contact me on my Telegram ID. And let me tell you that all these lessons summaries are already uploaded on my channel. You can watch it by clicking on the playlist which I have given in the comment section. Students, if you think I was able to help you, then don't forget to hype this video and don't forget to contact me on my Telegram ID if you want easy notes. Do check out the playlist that I gave in the comment section and hit the bell icon to get notified for my next upcoming video.